Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. So in today's video I'm here with a Vaisakhi video. It's a Punjabi look as Vaisakhi is already around the corner, so I thought you are going to enjoy this, and if you do, please let me know and even subscribe to my channel. And if you don't know what is Vaisakhi, Vaisakhi is actually celebrated in Punjab. It is the harvesting festival. For the primer today I'm going with the Pack Cosmetics Oil Control Primer. This is a minimizing primer, plus it has no paraben in it. And for the foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is the Matte Plus Poreless in the shade 128 Warm Nude. And now I'm going to blend my foundation with the Pack Mist Bound Sponge. And now next for my concealer, I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. This is in the shade 25 Medium. And I'll be going with this on the highest points of my face and even the areas I need to conceal. I'm again going to blend this with the same sponge. And now I'll be setting my face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. This is in the shade 15 Light. And I'm just going to apply the powder only on my T-zone, not on the rest of my face. And for contouring my face, I'm taking the Sugar Cosmetics Contour the Force Palette 01 Subtle Summit, and I'll be going with this on the parameters of my face. And for the blusher, I'm taking the Eye Magic palette and I'm going with the pink shade right here. This is from the Touch Blush palette and you can see how pigmented this is. And for the highlighter, I'm taking the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in the shade Rose Gold Molten, and I'll be applying this on the highest points of my face. Now I'm done with the base and now moving on to the eyebrows. So now for the eyeshadow, today I'm taking the same blush shade for my eyelids. So I'm going with this on the outer V on the crease area. And for the inner parts of the lids, I'm taking this shade right here. And even underneath my eyes, as you can see, it is going to be a very simple makeup look. Plus I'm taking the same highlighter on the inner corners and even on the eyebrow bones. And now I'll be going with the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is in the shade White and I'm going to apply this on the waterline. And to finish off my eyes, using the Sugar Cosmetics Uptown Curl Lengthening Mascara in the shade 01 Black Beauty. Going with this on the upper and even on the lower lashes. If you really prefer lashes, you can definitely go with it. I'm not a lash person, so I'm going to skip that. Now that is it for the eyes. If you want, you can surely go with a wing liner. I think this is looking nice and I really don't want to go with a liner. But if you wish, you can surely go for it. And for the lipstick, I'm mixing two shades right here. So the first one is the Nykaa Matte 2 Lust 05 Madras Cafe, and the next shade is Sugar Cosmetics Metallic Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade 12 Talata. So I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you do let me know in the comment section below. If you're celebrating Vaisakhi, do let me know more about it. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Bye.